Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you and show you how to soothe a stomach ache in 10 minutes. If you want to get relief from stomach soreness, this is the video for you. I'll be going over 7 things that you can do to help soothe your stomach ache quickly. Over my lifetime, have had many stomach aches, and over the years I've found various ways to soothe those stomach aches. And these are the top things that work for me and many people that I know. So I figured that I would pass the knowledge on to you, so hopefully you can soothe your stomach ache as well. And they don't have to be done in this specific order, but I'm going to put them in a certain order, and I'll tell you if something should be done first or last. So number 1 should be done first, which is drink some water. Not a lot of water. You don't want to overdo it right now if your stomach is sore, but you want to drink some water. Water is what your body needs to digest. It will always aid in the digestion process. So you should drink a little bit of water. Just a glass is totally fine, and that's going to help your body get what it needs to help you feel a little bit better. Number 2 is stand up. You want to avoid lying down, even though I know you probably feel like lying down. Lying down is bad for your digestion. By standing up, you're letting gravity do a lot of the work to help digest the food or the bacteria that's causing your stomach pain. So you want to stand up and, like I said, fight the urge to lie down. If you really have to lie down, then try and lie down on an elevation a little bit so that it helps the digestion. Like I said before, you want gravity to help you out. Number 3 is take a warm shower. And I'll explain how these will help in 10 and get your stomach feeling better in about 10 minutes. But just stay tuned and I'll tell you how it works so quickly. Take a warm shower. Make sure you take a warm shower just for a few minutes. It doesn't need to be a long shower, but that's going to raise your body temperature. By raising your body temperature up, that's going to help to burn off anything that's causing a problem in your stomach, right? You're going to burn off some calories, and hopefully some of those calories, hopefully your body increasing in temperature will burn off whatever it is that's causing the stomach pain. Number 4 is chew gum, and you want to do this last at the end of everything that I tell you. But by chewing gum, you're tricking your body into thinking that you're eating. So when you chew gum, you're sending your body signals that you're eating, right? It thinks that you're eating, which starts to release the things inside of your stomach that aid in digestion because it thinks that food's coming in. So by chewing gum, you're going to sort of trick your body to help digest what's already in your stomach. Number 5 is eat some veggies. Now, don't eat a lot because your stomach is sore, but eat some vegetables, and you want to eat the lightest vegetables that you can find. Think something along the lines of, celery, lettuce, kale, anything like that. Fun, interesting fact, my brother-in-law's name is Kale, like literally. So I'm telling you to eat this vegetable. My brother-in-law, his name is Kale, right? And he likes eating kale. Sorry, just random, but just figured I'd tell you. Just pretty funny. But don't eat anything like carrots or anything like that, because those are a bit harder to digest because they're already really hard, right? Number 6 is have a slice of toasted bread, specifically toasted bread, not just regular soft bread, toasted bread. Bread will absorb a lot of the stuff, the fluid that's in your stomach that maybe is causing some soreness. And when you have toasted bread, it's easier to digest because it's already hard. Soft bread is harder to digest because it's soft, right? But by having toasted bread, it's already a little bit harder and more crisp. It's easier to digest, and it'll absorb things and help you feel a little bit better. And then number 7 is have a small piece of banana. Banana is great for digestion, but it is also packed with vitamins and nutrients, specifically ones that aid in the digestion of things in your stomach. So by having just a little piece of a banana, it's going to really help you. You don't want to have the whole thing because that might make your stomach hurt even more if you're already in pain, but have a little piece of banana. It will help your body get what it needs, replenish what it needs to digest. Now, how does this work in 10 minutes? Well, if you bring all of these things together, they probably only take about 10 minutes to do. And if you do them all or some of them, you don't have to do all of them, but even do a few of them together, they're really going to help your stomach feel a lot better because they all have their independent things that they help aid in the digestion process. So by doing them together, you can help yourself. So for instance, if you wanted to do a couple of them together, a handful of them together, you could drink a glass of water while standing up, and then you could, in a couple minutes, you could have a slice of toasted bread, and then you could have a little piece of banana, and then just take a shower for a few minutes. And that'll only take about 10 minutes, and that will really help you out. And so obviously, some of them have to be done. You don't want to be chewing gum while you're in the shower. That's not really, it's not something that generally speaking we do. But if you're going to chew gum, if you're going to do that, then do it at the end. Once you've already done everything else and you're ready to sort of just settle down and let everything take effect, then you can have a piece of gum and just chew it maybe while standing up watching a TV show to keep you distracted, and hopefully your digestion will kick into high gear at that point. And that's it. Just use your common sense and use your logic, and these things independently will help you a little bit, but when you use a couple of them together and choose them amongst what you think will work for you, when you use a couple of them together, they will help you out. So do one and then the other and then the other. You know, you don't want to do them overlapping, but do one and then the other, and then the other. This way you can judge what is helping you. You can see, you can narrow down what actually helped you feel a lot better, because it'll be the one that you likely just did. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.